we got?
Left lane.
By under a half. Under a half.
He slept. He slept.
It was a half car.
Half car.
I thought he fucking
Yeah, he slept.
That was a good light.
He slept though. Binkley slept. Binkley did not bet against him. I love that dude. Fleck. You want Christmas Mexican hat? You want the beanie? Billy for the win. Actually, that's the second time Billy's won.
Yo, he has some. Yo, didn't he get bigger? Look at this thing.
David Tabor's off the house.
You were skinnier. You were skinnier last year.
No, he wasn't.
You're
He's
a
always
DNR.
fat.
So the report here is that at the end of the track, they're claiming it was less than half of a truck. It was a fucking race. Excuse my language. It's my page. I can do what I want. From start to finish. That was some wild shit.
Let's end the first round small tire. Now we're going to do the street class. Give us a couple of minutes to get set up and ready for it.
Well, my battery was fucking. Charge it?
That's what she's told. And then big tires after that.